post-match press conference. Congratulations to the NU ladies.
Yay!
Bulldogs for reaching the finals for a fifth straight season, beating the USD Tigresses in 4 sets. We have Coach Renz Diego, Cham Maya, Nix Mata, and Lams Damina. Coach Renz, congratulations for this victory. First finals appearance mo sa UAAP, and you're gonna face Coach Ramil in the league's biggest stage. So, what are your thoughts about this match and facing LaSalle in the finals, sir?
Do I use this one?
Yeah.
Hello everyone. We are just happy that we're here. We did our best for today's game, and we're just going to prepare for the next one. So it's still the same for everyone. We prepare, we do our best, and hopefully we get the championship.
Thank you so much. To Nix, you have 5 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 service ace, and 4 digs. So yun nga,
For this,
another finals
oh my
appearance
God.
for you. So last year, ang ganda ng pinakita mo nung finals last year. And then this year, ito, may chance ka na ma-showcase mo yung talents mo against LaSalle. So ano masasabi mo na, yun nga, ang ganda ng ginawa niyo, especially sa blocking?
Sa performance naman namin, tinabaho talaga namin yun. Kasi, yun nga, one game at a time kami. So, kailangan namin ilaban yung game ngayon. Kasi, very important yung game ngayon kasi do or die nga. Kaya, dapat bawat isa sa amin, kada roll by roll, importante yon. Blockings, spiking, dapat pulido lahat ng ginagawa namin. At kung may ma-miss, may ma-error, ganyan, bawi lang. Madami namang chance.
Thank you so much. Next to Chami, you have 8 of 17 attacks. A match best, 5 blocks, 1 service ace, and 5 digs. So, yun nga. Ano masasabi mo na yun nga, maganda yung blocking nyo today. Ano masasabi mo?
Yun nga po, sabi ni Nicole na roll po. Para po, yung mindset po kasi namin nasa middle, gusto din po namin tumulong sa mga, kasi po kami yung first line of defense po sa harap eh. Kaya as much as possible po, gusto po namin, sa amin pa lang, stop na po yung bola.
Thank you so much. And lastly, to Lams, you have 34 excellent sets, 6 digs, 1 block, 1 service ace, and 1 attack. So, ito na finals. Finals na naman kayo. So, ano yung masasabi mo right now na, yun nga, sabi nga ng mga teammates mo, 1 game at a time. At ito nga, although nga, kailangan dumaan kayo sa step ladder, na itawid nyo ito.
Very happy kasi lahat kami pinagtrabahuan talaga itong game na to kasi syempre yun nga, very crucial, do or die game. And ayun, very happy ako sa performance ng team at sana tuloy-tuloy siya hanggang championship.
Thank you so much. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, from second set to fourth set pa kami, kailangan kayo habulin ng lamang ng USC. So, ano na masasabi mo sa naging resilience ng team na kahit kailangan nyo umabot, hindi naman sila nagpakapati at nanalo pa yung kayo venture?
Syempre, it was a challenge for us, a very, very big challenge for us. Pero ever since naman this year started, it has been very challenging for us. It's not easy. Lahat ng mga games namin, hindi siya madali. And with those experiences, it made us stronger. That's why at some point in this game, I knew that they're going to get it because napagdaanan na namin siya. Daanan namin to, na-experience namin to, kapitan lang. So, yun po. Yun lang.
To Chami and Nick, siguro for the past games, parang kayo na din yung naging supporta ni na Ara, ni na Batch, ni na Lams. Paano nyo lang isusustain to against LaSalle na mas may mga magaling din ng middle blockers doon? So paano nyo lang parang isustain to pagdating ng finals?
Sa amin naman, pareho lang ng ginagawa namin every game. Bale, kung ano yung mga ginawa namin sa past games, dapat mas higitan pa namin. Kasi championship game na nga, dapat mas maganda pa yung ipakita namin at syempre mas malaki pa dapat yung tulong namin sa mga teammates namin.
Tsaka dapat kami din yung sa senior din po kasi, dapat kami din po nag-lift up sa kanila kasi pag tahimik po, nawawala po sila sa focus eh. Kaya gusto po namin is i-hype sila para po kahit paano focus po sila.
Coach, there were some points po throughout the season nga na medyo kumbaga nagiging mahirap or wins weren't coming as much as usual dati. Pero I guess what made you believe or what even though the start is hard, the finals is still a realistic possibility pa rin. It's the defending champions.
Of course, I trust all the players, not just the starters, but I know kasi na pag may isang in trouble, there's always someone may sasagip. Doon yung naging strength talaga namin na sobrang dami naming players na kaya at matapang sa loob. So, grateful kami doon and hopefully magamit namin yan sa championship.
And for Lams, entering the finals na against a team na for the fourth time mo na makakalaban, parang what's different about this particular finals na even though mas dominant kayo over the huling tatlo, winning twice, ano sa tingin mo yung magiging pinaka-challenge this time around against them?
For me, very challenging talaga yung Lasal. Sobrang challenge talaga nila kasi kompleto sila. And kami naman, all we have to do is to back to basic, prepare. Kung ano po talaga yung usual na preparation naman sa team, mental preparation and physical preparation. And ayun, isang mindset pa rin is to get the championship, to get the crown.
Coach Reg, additional question lang po is, a former player and a female coach na siguro po sa dito sa women's volleyball hindi na po ganun karami yun. Pero ngayon from that journey, now you're a finals-bound head coach. How big of a deal is it po for you na maybe some people would doubt, but with this win, you know na it's really possible with anything and with what you did po tonight?
My journey to being here is not as easy as other coaches as far as I know. It's harder because I am a woman also. Sometimes I feel like this is just for me. Sometimes I feel like we are not ready for a woman coach here in the country. But then now I feel na with the right type of support from the players, from our managers, from the NU community, I think it's possible for us to be, for me, for all of us women, we can represent us in the higher stages, like here in the finals. So I'm happy and grateful and thankful sa lahat na naging journey ko with all the teams na nahawakan ko before. It made me stronger, and this one is also challenging me and making me grow every day. Yun lang. Thank you.
Lams, last finals run na with Eddie itong parating. Nung ginamit mo yung fifth year mo, sabi mo parang ito na yung gusto mong i-lead yung Eddie to one last championship. Paano mo lang ibabalanse yung pag-lead at the same time yung emotions that come with your last finals run with Eddie?
Ayun nga po, maraming nagsasabi, maraming expectations for NU na kailangan namin i-defend talaga yung crown. Tapos maraming, grabe yung pressure. Pero I always stay composed kasi yun talaga yung pagiging center. Especially kailangan ko sila ma-lead all throughout the finals. And then
To Coach, Coach, ano po masasabi mo sa pag-step up nito? Ng mga middle blocks na nasa tabi mo. Kumbaga, parang for the past games sila yung naging X-factors talaga ng team up to this game na importante talaga para makaabot kayo ng finals. Ano lang masasabi mo sa pag-step up nila, Alexa at ni Chang?
I've been in the volleyball world naman for the past 2 years. Even without me handling them, I've been seeing them na in the championship, and they've been very competitive and they're very good ever since. So wala naman ako in-expect na mas mababa. Whatever they're doing with the team now is very expected from them, and hopefully they mature and grow more, especially this coming finals because they're now the seniors.
Coach, next, first finals mo rin yung UAB as a head coach. Coach kami yung mga kalaban, your mentor in the past. So, ano lang gusto mong mapulot na lessons when you're going up against a coach like Coach kami?
It's always about discipline with Coach Ramil, and hopefully ma-out-discipline ko siya. Joke lang. So hopefully I get to play at par with him. I mean, not just play but with coaching. Hopefully I get there because he's always going to be one of my inspiration where I am now, and I am grateful to be one of his players before, and I know it's going to be very hard. Syempre, wala namang madaling finals eh. But papakita namin sa kanya ngayon na kaya namin. And mapakita ko sa kanya yung lahat ng tutunan ko sa buong life ko. Siya kasi yung una siya yung pinakaunang nagsabi sa akin na pwede ako mag-coach. And now I'm here and hopefully proud siya sa akin. Yun lang po.
Coach, ito na tayo, nasa finals na. And in this finals, ito yung first ng post-Bella and Eliza Solomon era. And with these girls, with Vance, with Ara, tapos itong sina Nix, tsaka si Cham, and then we have Damsir. Ano yung magiging mantra nyo this finals? Especially ito, Lasal unbeaten. Yun po.
The only way we can beat LaSalle is to play together. Lahat kami. Hindi pwedeng may isa lang na malakas, hindi pwedeng may isa lang na magdadala ng team. It's going to be us or we're not going to make it. That's it. We have to play all together. That's our strength, us, the team. Bonded together. That's going to be our strength and that's the only way we win against LaSalle.
And lastly to Lance, being the senior here. Of course, Lasal, another talagang championship caliber team. So, syempre, kabisado nila yung tendencies nyo. Kabisado nyo rin yung tendencies nila yun.
Tingin ko naman, pagdating talaga ng championship, kung sino na lang po talaga yung mas hungry to win or hungry to defend the crown. Siguro, depende na lang kung sino yung bibitaw. Yun lang.
Congratulations, Coach
Yay!
Red, Lance, Cham, and Nick. See you sa finals on Wednesday.